The TX's driver-focused cockpit design and available 12.3 multi-information display enable a deeper connection to instill confidence and control in the driver. Opening the door with just a touch of the digital latch, Texas welcomes passengers with available multicolored illumination accents and door trim options. Driver controls like the available head-up display HUD enables smooth line of sight to minimize driver distraction. Lexus interface comes standard on the TX with a 14-inch multimedia touchscreen display which provides easy-to-use controls and clear information to the driver and front seat passengers. The 2024 TX also comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay integration and Android Auto compatibility. Available with all powertrains, the 21 speaker Mark Levinson Premium Surround sound system is tuned for the TX cabin to deliver high-quality sound. Comprehensive utility and usability are provided in every row to ensure all guests travel with comfort and convenience. All rows have accessible storage throughout the vehicle, 7 charging communication ports and 3 power outlets enable passengers to use their smartphone or tablet at any point during. The cup holders, which can hold various sizes of cups and bottles, are removable to accommodate diverse usage styles. In the front seats, a dual opening console lid provides the driver and front seat passenger with the ability to open the left and right sides independently. The second row, depending on grade, is available in 2 configurations: captain's chairs or a 60-40 split folding bench. Access to the third row is made easier with a slide assist walk-in mechanism. With a press of the switch on the seat shoulder, the seat tilts forward and the slide assist spring slides and folds the second row seats.